In Bartlett, Natalie Bobrowski. On deck, Matt Ford at 145. Matea's Jordan Slater. In West Chicago's Alexandra Ole. Nora Swick of Bartlett to the podium. Nora Swick of Bartlett to the podium.
Totally just spilled it.
Attention fans, turn your attention to the podium for our first and fifth place at the 110-pound weight class. In fifth place, we have Michaela